So yo, in this video, we're gonna find out which one of these is a real life millionaire.
Just be low key fucking hair, bro.
Hey! I was dumb.
Ring the boys and tell them to wait outside.
You know Jesus,
Yeah. No, you're right. Yeah, you're right. I think this game's fucking over because he's minted. So yo, I'm Driver Dave. I do YouTube.
Yo, I'm Sweezy. I'm a multimillionaire trading Forex.
I'm Marky. I'm a car enthusiast.
I'm RM. I'm a rapper from Birmingham.
So okay, so tell us your name and what you do.
I'm Patrick Collinson, I'm an e-commerce manager.
Okay.
I'm Kelly and I own a luxury real estate agent.
Okay.
I'm Andrew Black and I do investment.
Hi, I'm Hasti Patel and I own a cosmetics brand.
I'm Mark. I was initially an author, but I'm also a property developer now as well.
Steve Rothery, rock guitarist.
Sorry,
His what?
I'm a rock guitarist.
And what does that entail?
It involves playing guitar in a rock style.
He's not a
rock
millionaire,
star,
basically.
Yeah? So yo, what do you reckon? Then get closer, boys. Get closer.
Get closer.
Can't give up our secret, you know. So what you saying?
I'm saying number 5.
Bro, but you just be low key fucking hair, bro. Hey, number 2! Oh, fucking hell. Dickhead. Hey, bro, listen.
I think number 2, you know. I'll be honest.
I don't know, maybe number
number
5 or
2.
number 6. You know the intro, the geek one?
No, guitarist.
Nah, but it could
Bro,
be
if
number
you
3
wear
as
some
well.
green, you are
It could be
weird.
number 3.
designer. So
Yeah, but then fashion designers get bread. You gotta take it in to be wearing some funny business on the catwalk, doing some funny,
Look at the shoes.
funny,
Look at the
funny,
shoes. Anyone
funniness.
has like breaded shoes.
I think number 5 is very wealthy, but I don't think he's the millionaire. And do you know what tells me that? There's 2 things, yeah.
Why are you smiling, lad?
That's a money smile, you know.
100%.
There's
Bro,
2.
okay, can you all smile? I want to see your teeth. I want to see who's rich in your teeth. Can you smile? Okay, not rich. Loaded. Okay, broke. Hey! No, another one.
Nah, did you see the money?
Okay,
salute?
so.
Nah, I'll be honest, yeah.
Or 4 or 5.
I'd say 2 or 5, yeah, but there's reasons to why I'd say 2. Because, I don't know, man, you know this day and age, yeah? Old money's old money, yeah? I don't doubt that fella there's minted, yeah? But we're talking about who's the richest one here, and young money always gets it. There's a lot of old geezers that run around thinking they're heavy, but I've got more than them. You understand?
Yeah, for sure.
Like, you gotta take it in, bruv. Like, yo, we're out here, we're fighting. We still want paying now.
Right now.
Give it me now.
Okay, so that's the first round. So now we've got to take 2 people out of this.
I'm saying 1 and 3.
I'm saying 1 and 4.
3 and 4.
I'm saying 1 and 4.
I'm 1 and 4, yeah.
Okay, so 4 and 1 are gonna be leaving right now. And yo, we could be wrong, you know. We could be wrong. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Yo, it's round 2. We're gonna ask 2 questions each.
I'm gonna ask number 2 and number 4 a couple of questions. So, how much tax did you pay this year, number 4?
Well, I haven't paid tax this year because the tax year...
No, sorry, last year, sorry.
Okay. Well, I don't know, my accountant will have dealt with that.
Yeah, but you know the figures.
I don't.
You actually don't.
I could look it up. But I
Okay,
don't
so
know.
how much do you make per year, roughly, in your bank account as a dividend?
It varies, but, you know...
Okay, he's not the millionaire. He's
You
not
know
the
what?
millionaire.
No. He's smart answering the questions. He could still be the millionaire because let's be honest, yeah, he's not just going to give away all his cards right now, just that easy. Can I ask number 2? How many bedrooms does your house have?
4.
4, yeah? Okay.
Oh, listen, number 1, how many bedrooms do you have? Oi. And you number 3? No, number 4. You know,
Same question, which house?
Oh,
Is that how that would be, yeah?
Yeah.
That's how that would be, that's old money, you get me? Don't fuck with
Which
that,
one?
that's old money. Marky, what questions you got to ask them? And what numbers are you asking questions to?
Number 3, what's your most expensive car and how many houses you got?
Most expensive car. I've got a Bentley. That's
What year?
What year, yeah?
No, wait. You can't ask him that.
No, because
You
if it's
can't
in
answer that.
2010, it's about 20 bags.
No, wait. You can't ask him that because it's RM's turn now. RM.
In terms of how many houses have I got, are you talking about in my property portfolio that I live in?
Portfolio.
I don't know the portfolio. There's a lot. Like I said, I'm a developer now, so yeah.
I'll be honest, yeah, I think this game's fucking over because he's minted. You know what I'm saying?
RM, any question?
Well, let's not undersell number one, you know. I'll be honest, let's not undersell number one here. Trust me.
Okay, so I've got a question for number 3. What's your favourite watch?
My favourite watch?
Yeah.
I've got a Tag Heuer.
Tag Heuer.
Oh, it's a low-key like...
Okay, who's your next question for?
For number 2. When did you become a millionaire? What year?
I was born like that.
That's a good one, guys. That was fucking smooth, you know. He's from the hood. He's from the hood. Okay, so this one, yeah, you're only allowed to eliminate one of them, yeah?
One, just
I'm
one.
saying number 4.
This is fucking
I'm
tough.
saying 4.
4.
Me and you are the same. 4.
I think the last one, bro.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah, no, 4.
Some before.
Guitarist on probably a bill a night in the pub.
I'm not rich.
Number 4.
Who's going?
Number 4.
Yeah.
Who's going?
Number 4.
Okay, I've been outvoted. Number 4. Could you
Number
leave,
4.
please?
You can go.
Number 4.
Thank you, yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
You can make it. There's a North Pole pub is down there. You can make it.
Oh, now this is fucking lit. This is getting interesting now, though, because all of yous are minted. Ring the boys and tell them to wait outside.
Look for a meeting.
Whoever's that's going to is the drug.
Okay, that's a fucking shout. Yeah, that's a shout. Real interested now.
So this is the last round, and we have 3 items. We're gonna select one of these people to try and sell us one of these 3 items.
Okay, so
The lady-
which one of these now, yeah, are we getting to sell us and what item? You go first because we're all gonna pick each one individually, even though there's only 3. So we'll have to just share.
I think the lady I will pick
So what are you gonna give her to sell?
this bottle of water.
Okay. Number 1, could you possibly come and sell us this bottle of water?
Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, I must admit that I have a team of salespeople. I focus on the partnerships in the company and bringing in the business, but I have a sales
The
team.
sales pitch ain't selling from that.
Okay.
She's out.
Cool.
Trust me.
But
It's
you
done.
know,
Yeah, finish, bro.
Have you heard the saying that
You know what it is? Millionaires don't make excuses.
it's not an excuse.
That was an excuse at the start from the, you get me? And he knows, look, because he's minted. Yeah?
Okay, so
Trust
bro,
me.
go for it. I want to see. Yeah. Then we take a decision.
So, you know Jesus, yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus turned the water into wine, yeah?
Sold. Okay, so. Okay.
No, and your turn.
Your turn, please, bro.
My dad is rich, so buy this drink.
No. Okay, so could you explain to me how your dad fed 90,000 people with them bottles of water?
Oh yeah, easily. So basically, you need water to make beer, right? So he made beer, and that's it.
Yeah, no, he's not selling it.
Okay, that sales pitch was fucked.
That's like more B2B. It's not B2C.
So what do you think?
So what do you reckon?
What do you think here?
The middleman ain't rich one.
Memoirs out, bro.
All right then. So you know what I think personally, yeah. I think the wealthiest one out of all of them is him on the right there.
100. Number 3.
Yeah, number 3 is the
Number 3.
one. I
But
don't
you know
think
what?
can
I would
see it.
love, yeah, to be proved wrong, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you both smile again? All of you.
That's a money smile, man.
100%.
Now you know what? I think number 2. You know.
No,
The more I think about it, yeah, because
No.
you know what?
No,
yeah.
bro, he's missing teeth.
Nah, he's dodgy,
Hey,
bro.
come.
He's dodgy. Them
Dave,
geezers
Dave,
dads who have got bread are proper
Dave,
dodgy.
come here. Come. I'll show you something.
Okay.
Can you smile again? If you're rich, you don't need that.
Nah,
You,
you're
bro.
right. Yeah, you're right.
Impossible.
Yeah.
You out. You out. And you out. You gone.
Yeah, nah, because
Now we have
I
to
thought-
boys smile. Yeah.
I'll be honest, yeah. Like if it comes to who's the I don't.
No.
I don't doubt, yeah, that you're very
All right.
wealthy.
Come.
I just think that he's the wealthiest one, and that's just me.
Okay, so
it just looks like money.
You are putting for him, and
I
I think number 2 now.
no, it's 1 or 2. So
yeah, 1 or 2.
Number
So
2.
what are you saying then?
He just looks like the typical rich man.
Yeah.
You know,
he has
can I
a
ask
white
you one
beard,
question
he's stressed.
before we pick? Just one more question before we pick. Okay then, so are you telling the truth in all the questions we've asked you?
They're gonna say no, bro. Are you?
That's the question I'm asking you. Are you telling the truth with all the questions we've asked you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fully.
Number 2. 100%.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
I think it's none of them.
Yeah, but you have to choose
be
now.
honest.
You have to choose one.
Okay.
Number 2.
Arm.
Number 2.
Dave.
Number 2. So yo, all the contestants are back right now, so it's time we find out who the real millionaire is. Can the real millionaire out of you lot step forward, please?
I stopped you for it. I swear to God.
Fuck's sake. Oh, you know what? Something told me it was her, you know.
Hey everyone, my name's Kelly and I own a luxury real estate company which is global in London, New York and LA, and I've been doing it for over a decade now, and I have other businesses as well, and I just love entrepreneurship generally.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Fucking hell. I knew it was her, RM. I fucking told you.